I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's game here with another reaction. Move! Today we are with Navino. Yeah, with Inconsiderate. Big word, man. Big word. And Navino. Yeah, man. Big up Navino from them time till now. Yo, with Inconsiderate. Bro, make the song, I'm telling you, I feel so long. Yeah, show off now. Yeah, show off because you have subject at school. Oh, well, we can read that right. Anyway, could you jump on the one I saw we're going? It's an official music video. Let's get it. Adnan, directed by Adnan. Big up yourself. Production team. Prince Music. Prince King Entertainment, I believe.
Now,
big up yourself.
Myself to myself in the car. That way better for me, I say pray. Stay for some people that.
Video Navina, go ahead,
I wonder if me too real or me heart too soft, dog. Cause every time me show me love, me end up with a broken heart. One day
I must get bumbo clock relate. Let me take out my glasses, because I'm in trouble. What I must can relate? I look can relate something wrong with the dog. Me, sometimes I have to look in that glass and say, yo, I mean, the problem, bro. I mean too real for some of them pussy, dog. Every time I try to help them pussy, them try. Hey, Navino, again. Bumbo clock.
your prince.
Music. Again.
Right now, me just keep myself to myself in the car. That way better for me, I say pray.
Yo, be your best friend, bro. Be your best friend. Nobody can. Hey, if you notice, you can't see me rolling now. I yes, I'm there. Nobody can say me to do something to do that. Me no wanna pussy around me, dog.
Stay for some people that.
Me no wanna pussy around me.
I wonder if me too real.
Yeah.
Or me heart too soft, dog.
Yeah.
Cause every time me show me love, me end up with a broken heart. One day for me, I the problem, dog.
Wonder that.
Well, I pain make me corrupt and dark. Cause every time me show me love, me end up with a broken heart.
Man, I say every time I'm show him love, him end up with a broken heart. But guess what me I go say to him, G? Continue being you, bro. The right person I go forward, where I go deserve that side of you there. You see me? Even though right now you're pre-corrupt and you're corrupt same way, you have to do it to protect yourself and protect your sanity. Because enough of them pussy your energy drain a dog. Them drain your energy. No! Yeah? So you have to protect yourself, you understand?
Every time me show me love, me end up with a broken heart.
Big up the editor of the video. Big up the director as well. Adnan, big up yourself. Big up the whole production team. Video clean. Video clean like Shensia skin. Oh, did I say that? Video clean like a Shensia skin. Video clean!
Cause every time me show me love, me end up with a broken heart.
Yeah.
Can't blame nobody, me have to blame myself. Love help people too much and give us strength. Send up for me help and me them turn against. I feel hard, no me heart, put up me defense.
Yeah, man, I'm telling you earlier on, he must do it for protect him sanity, protect himself. He must harden him heart. He must harden him heart and put up him defense like a firewall on a computer. Yes, you have to block them out, bro. You have to block them out, bro. Just know that magic. Yo, put up that bumbo class song here, man. Pull up! No, fuck up! Navino, Inconsiderate!
Your prince.
Inconsiderate! Big word! Big word, man! Big word!
Right now, me just keep myself to myself in the car. That way better for me, I say pray.
Like me say video clean like Shensia skin. Go look on her skin if I think I
I
joke.
wonder if me too real.
Yeah.
Or me heart too soft, dog. Cause every time me show me love, me end up with a broken heart. One day for me, I the problem, dog.
Me have to wonder.
Well, I pain make me corrupt and dark. Cause every time me show me love, me end up with a broken heart.
Go night, me G.
Can't blame nobody, me have to blame myself. Love help people too much and give us strength. Send up for me help and me them turn against. I feel hard, no me heart, put up me defense.
Yeah, some pussy as well. Only know your number when them want something from you. You see them type of people, eh? Me black enough for them already. From the year start, me black enough for them. I swear up. Me black them. Yeah, me black them. Yeah, man, black them.
Me them turn against. I feel hard, no me heart, put up me defense. Oh, yeah. Yo, it's like no real love, no day again. People not genuine, fake friend them a pretend. Like them love you when them well want see you dead. So tell the hoes as man on the energy for them.
Yo, we not on energy for no bro. Yo, who can relate to that song, brother? I'm telling this. Pause. Navino, hold on. I'm telling this, dog. You see, if you can't relate to that song, brother, uno Navino sing about. If you can't relate to that song, bro, uno Bambukla Navino sing about. I swear. I know. You pussy.
Right now, I just keep myself to myself in the car.
Yeah, man, lone soldier.
That way better for me, you see, pray.
Bad Bambukla artist, bad singer, ready?
I wonder if me too real.
Yeah.
Or me heart too soft, cause every time me show me love, me end up with a broken heart. One day for me, I the problem, dog. Well, I pain make me corrupt and dark. Cause every time me show me love, me end up with a broken heart. Can't blame nobody, me have to blame myself. Love help people too much and give us strength.
Yeah.
It's enough for me help and me them turn again. I feel hard, no me heart, put up me defense. Oh yeah, yo, it's like no real love, no day again.
No.
People not genuine, fake friend them a pretend. Like
I said feel like to me sometimes. It feel like no real love no day again. It feel like no real love no day for true. True.
them love you when them well want see you dead. People not genuine, fake friend them a pretend. Like them love you when them well want see you dead. So tell the hoes as man on the energy for them.
None.
Me listen every talk, I'm a watch on a joke. Friend of me would that die for, burn me up. Feel
Yeah, man, the same pussy them with a dead for burn you out. Burn you out. I'm telling you something. Any person who want to say itch up on an enemy, or an enemy, I say some things and them I come tell the back, so you know, so the boy said that, yeah, pussy too, because you should have shut down that pussy there from him and call me name. If me and you a real friend, you should have shut him down from the get-go.
I'm a watch on a joke. Friend of me would that die for, burn me up.
Yeah.
Feelings turn off, me can live without. Humans are fuck with me, don't figure it out.
Fuck with them.
Ask them what me do them and them can't explain. Enough time I say me nah still help them again. See them go around me and me say me nah do it again. And still dead every day. I wonder if
And the heart where you have, bro, even though you take a oath to yourself, you kiss the cross, God broke your neck on the green cheese, you not help them pussy again. But as soon as them want the help and them forward, you help them. Why? Because your heart, me G.
again.
You have to protect it.
Me, I'm a seminar, do it again. And still dead every day. I wonder if me too real.
You have to protect yourself.
Or me heart too soft, dog. Cause every time me show me love, me end up with a broken heart. One day for me, I the problem, dog. Well, I pain make me corrupt and dark.
Navino.
Cause every time me show me love, me end up with a broken heart. Might heal, but still I feel the pain. Memory still with me, broken heart. Might heal, but still I feel the pain. Memory still with me. Mind control the world, me can't change some.
Buckler. Man say, yo, it might heal, but him still a feel the pain, bro. Him still a feel the pain. Him healing now, but him still a feel the pain. Yeah, charmer.
Feel the pain. Memory still with me. Mind control the world, me can't change. So me focus on me heart. Put my feelings in a cage. You can't too nice nowadays.
Yeah, man, sometimes you have to learn to say no. Sometimes you have to learn for your real thing, Navino. Yo, me wish we could have pulled up the song again, but me don't want it to go too on too long, dog.
Oh, for trust me can't know I be a two-face. Say them real, but me don't know them I move too fake. No matter what you do for them still gon' hate. You them not too real.
Yo, if you do 99, good for them pussy, yeah. And the one bad way, the one time them ask you can't do it, you have the problem. The one time them ask you to do something for them and you cannot do it, you have the problem. Even though you just do 99 good. You see them pussy, they will dig out your eye, bro.
Move too fake. No matter what you do for them still gon' hate. You them not too real. I wonder if me too real. Or me heart too soft, cause every time me show me love, me end up with a broken heart. One day for me, I the problem, dog. Well, I pain make me corrupt and dark. Cause every time me show me love, me end up with a broken heart.
Bumbuckler, fast vocal up, bro. As always. Hear there? Can feel the pain in night, bro. Big word, man, big word. Inconsiderate, yeah. Yo, like me say, bro, anybody who can relate to that song, dog, I know the fucking problem. Prince Music, big up yourself. Production, great. Video, Adnan, big up yourself. Production team, that big up on yourself. Do the work beside the scene and make it come together. Navino, vocals on par as usual, bro. Like from the time you bust till now, bro, I be a quality I put out, me G. So big up yourself, bro, and continue, bro. Continue fight the fight, bro, because I know say yo the fight is real, bro. Continue fight the fight for me. You hear that? Yeah, man, inconsiderate, man. Sometimes you have to lock with your heart, like what you said, bro, and protect your sanity, fam. Because some of them pussy, I tell you, bro, gunshot them. Yeah, man, I that them forget, man. But yeah, the song bad. A link to the one I got there in the comment section. Go on Navino go page, go tell him what you think, man. Me no say bad already, so you don't have to tell me. Go and go tell him. Go and go tell him. Yeah? Yeah, man. Catch you guys in the next one.
Right now, I want $1 million US. I'm an advice of the real artist progress. I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real artist represent.